Hi guys, this is Mrs. Heyda. I am at my home computer right now and I just wanted to give you an idea of how to start Movie Maker. I thought this might be just a good tutorial to kind of get you into the lab and get working a little bit faster. What I'm going to be using though today is I'm just going to be using some random pictures that I took of my homeroom just to kind of get you started. The first thing that you're going to need to do is you're going to need to open up Movie Maker. And I just have to do a search for it. So I did it by clicking on the bottom button and I just typed in movie. And it's going to open up Movie Maker for me. I also have ready right away all of the student pics in a file that I'm going to be using today. I'm just going to select a bunch of random ones. First thing I want you to do though is you're going to need to start saving. So we're going to click on the upper left hand button. We're going to do a save project as. So you can give this a name. So you may have given your group a name, or perhaps you just want to use a number or use your last names or whatever. I'm just going to call this Heyda's Demo just for the purpose of this today. And then when you want to add videos or add some photos, you're going to be adding photos today. You might already be there. Some of you might need to be starting from scratch. Just wanted to remind you how to do it. You can click on that button where it says add videos and photos and then find them from the file and drag them in there. All of your photos right now are probably on a flash drive, and we're going to have to drag them from the flash drive to the desktop of that computer or to the my pictures file of that computer. And to simply do that, you just have the thing open, select all of the pictures that you want, and you simply just have to drag them to the desktop and they'll copy to there. Then that way your Movie Maker should work just fine. Another thing that you could do instead is take your upload them through the file, or you can also just drag them over. So I'm just gonna, you should be able to just drag them over, and gives my computer a little bit of time to think. There we go. Maybe needs to take a little bit longer to think than our school computers. And then in a bit, what you'll see is you'll start seeing like a little thumbnail of each of these pictures.